So we have another Cebuano lesson. And this time it's gonna be fun because we are going to be learning describing people. So if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button on your lower right corner. And I also have a playlist of Cebuano lessons. I probably have already more than a dozen by now. You can click on this top screen right corner. And thank you so much. And let's get this describing people going. Pitiful. Makaluluoy.
Makaluluoy.
You are pitiful. Makaluluoy kaayo ka.
Makaluluoy kaayo ka.
Polite or courteous. Matinahuron.
Matinahuron.
My son is courteous. Matinahuron ang akong anak nga lalaki.
Matinahuron ang akong anak nga lalaki.
But if I want to say, my daughter is courteous. Matinahuron ang akong anak nga babae.
Matinahuron ang akong anak nga babae.
Babae means female.
Babae.
Alright, let's move on to noisy. Noisy means sabaan.
Sabaan.
You are very noisy. Sabaan kaayo ka.
Sabaan kaayo ka.
Rich. Dato.
Dato.
You are very rich.
Dato kaayo ka.
Dato kaayo ka. Diligent. Kugihan.
Kugihan.
Kugi, like work hard. Kugihan, very diligent. Drunk. Hubog.
Hubog.
Drunkard, palahubog.
Palahubog.
Drunk is like when someone is drunk, dizzy. Hubog. But if that person drink as often as almost every day, we call it palahubog. Drunkards. Palahubog. Fair complexion. Maputi.
Maputi.
Or puti og panit.
Puti ug panit.
Sad. Nagsubo.
Nagsubo.
Or naguol.
Naguol.
I am sad. Naguol ako.
Naguol ako.
Short. Mubo.
Mubo.
I am short. Mubo ako.
Mubo ako.
Shy. Manggiulawon.
Manggiulawon.
Or mauwawon.
Or mauwawon.
Slow. Hinay.
Hinay.
She is very slow. Hinayon kaayo siya.
Hinayon kaayo siya.
Small. Gamay.
Gamay.
Snobbish. Esnabera.
Esnabera.
Stout. Tambuk.
Tambuk.
Strict. Stricto.
Stricto.
Strong. Kusgan.
Kusgan.
I am strong. Makusganon ako.
Makusganon ako.
Tall. Taas.
Taas.
You are very tall. Taas kaayo ka.
Taas kaayo ka.
Talkative. Tabian.
Tabian.
Thin. Or slim. Niwang.
Niwang.
Or daut.
Daut.
I am slim. Daut ako.
Daut ako.
Or niwang ako.
Niwang ako.
Young. Bataun.
Bataun.
You will describe a person when they're very immature. They are an adult person and they act like a child. That's how you will describe them as bataun. Immature. Young. Pregnant. Mabdus.
Mabdus.
Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. The next subject I will be posting describing objects and condition. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share this video to your family and friends, people that would like to learn Cebuano lesson. Thank you so much and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.